Hello, welcome back a new video from Learning Python. Today we'll talk about lists. In general, any object in Python divided into two kinds, mutable or immutable. Lists is a kind of mutable object. What do you mean about mutable? Mutable means it's a flexible. Elements can be added, removed or changed, can be updated, can be removed or added. Example of mutable objects, lists, dictionaries, and sets. Immutable objects can't be changed after creation, and any alteration in immutable object will result to a new object. Our example is integers and floats and complex and booleans. If you remember, when you try to change a letter in a string, that can't happen, and the results of to make a new string after changing the letter. That's why it's immutable. It can happen any modification, or any modification happen can result in a new string. The example is numbers, integer, floats, and complex and boolean, strings, tuples, and frozen sets. Another thing, if we pass an mutable object as a parameter for a function, we will see how we create a function later. It will change the original mutable object if we pass a list as a parameter to a function, and we change this list, it will change the original list. But if we pass a string as a parameter to a function, it will change the original string. Let's start about lists. We can create a list by make a name and square brackets, that contain a strings, cherry, fig. We can print by using a list name and the index of what we want to print. That give me the first result, it's apple. We can use slices as we did with strings, slicing 0 to 2. That will give us apple and banana. It's print apple and banana. We can use steps like we did before. First one is start, end, and then steps. He give me apple and cherry, and also negative indexing. He give me the last element of the list. Okay, let's comment that. Let's talk about 2D list. We'll make a list called matrix, and inside this list we'll make a 3 list. For this, we will make an instead loop like we did before. Okay, we'll make a loop for I in matrix. It will make I as 3 elements, 0, 1, and 2, and then make a loop inside each one of these. It will bring each element alone. Let's clear and run the file. It give me each element with a space because I want the end with a space. Let's comment that. We'll make a list 1 equal 1, 2, 3. List 2 equal 4, 5, 6. And we'll make a total list equal list 1 plus list 2. That's how we combine two lists. Let's run the file. Oh, sorry, I didn't print it. Print total list. We combine two lists in one list. Let's comment this. And comment this too. Let's make a new list, repeated underscore list equal list 1 multiply 2. Let's clear. That will repeat our list 1 twice. I didn't print it. Print repeated list. It repeated 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 twice. Let's comment this. Let's get this list. Let's check if Apple exists in our list, and check also if mango in our list. Let's save, clear, run the file. At first it give me true because Apple is one element of our list. The second one is give me false because mango doesn't exist in our list. Let's comment this. Let's get our list 1. Print max list 1 and comment list 1. Let's clear and run the file. It give me 3 and 1. The max number in list 1 is 3. The minimum number is 1. Let's comment this. Let's suppose we have 3 variables. First second, third equal list 1. In this case, that's called unpacking. In this case, we will take the elements of the list and assigned each value to a variable. So the first variable will be 1, the second variable will be 2, the third variable will be 3. Let's try to print first, second, and third. Clear and run the file. It gives me 1, 2, 3. Okay, what if I make this 4, 5, 6, 7? Can I unpacking this? Let's print and see. It gives me an error because number of elements is higher than our variables. In this case, we can make a star before, let's suppose it's the second variable, and save and run again. See what happened. He assigned number 1 to first variable. Our star second, he make a new list and put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and assign number 7 to the third variable. In this case, he used the variable second as a list inside the list. So when you unpacking something you don't know its length, you can use star variable. Let's see some operation on list. List 1 dot append. That will add element to the list. Let's add 10 and print list 1. Clear, run. He give me the list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Here add 10. List 1 dot remove. Here we want to remove an element, so let's try to remove number 5 from the list. Let me comment this, save, run. He gave me as a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. He removed number 5. We can also use list 1 dot pop, but we have to put the index, not the element itself. So let's get the index of number 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and index 4. Let's save and run the file. He give me the same list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay, let's comment this. We have list dot clear. That will clear our list. Let's run the file. He give me an empty list. Now our list is empty. That's our lesson about lists. I hope you like it. See you later. Goodbye.